Okay, so the other day, Mrs. Grace did a lesson with you on perimeter and area. Today we're going to focus on perimeter. So as I'm writing, I want you to be writing down as well. So I have a rectangle here, and I'm going to call this 8 feet, and I'm going to call this 4 feet. I'm going to call this, whoops, let's make that 8 feet. And this is going to be 4 feet. So remember, perimeter is our length all the way around the outside of our figure. So we have a formula for this. P, standing for perimeter, equals two times the length plus 2 times the width. So, because we know that in a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal, we know that if this length is 8, it's going to be 8 times 2. So we would have 2 times the length. Same thing with this width. We know that this is 4. We know that the opposite side is going to be 4, so we would do 4 times 2. And then we can add those two totals together. So in this case, we have 2 times 8 plus 2 times 4. I have 16 plus 8, and that's going to give me a perimeter of 24 feet. So it is 24 feet, 8, 4, 8, and 4 is going to give me my 24. Let's try another one. So go ahead and draw this rectangle, boys and girls. So this one, we're going to make this 12 inches, and we're going to make that 3 inches. So again, we have a rectangle. Remember, in a rectangle, we have 4 right angles. And because of that, we know that if the length of one side is 12, that opposite side is also going to be 12. So that is 12 inches. And again, that's true of the top as well. We have 3 inches. So the bottom is going to be 3 inches. So again, we're finding perimeter. So P equals perimeter. And we're going to write out our formula again. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. P equals 2 times 12 plus 2 times 3. Perimeter equals 24 plus 6. Perimeter equals 30 inches. So 12 times 2 is 24, 3 times 2 is 6, 24 plus 6 is 30. The perimeter of this rectangle is 30 inches. Let's try one more before you guys can go ahead and do some practice on your own. This time, I want you to draw this figure. And I'm telling you, this figure is, of course, a square. So remember what's true of a square. This time I'm going to make this 5 meters. So in a square, what's true? Again, opposite sides are equal. What's also true of a square? Yes, all 4 sides are equal. So I have a square here. So yes, when I'm finding a perimeter, I can do 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. But what's another possibility of the way I can actually do this? I can do 4 times one of the sides, right? So if it's 4 times one of the sides, it would be the same thing as doing 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So we can start filling in our numbers. We have 4 times 5. That means our perimeter is 20 meters. Okay, boys and girls, take some time, try this on your own in your workbook. Go for it, enjoy your day.